Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we learn how to make text glowing animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you kindly like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. So let's start our today lesson. Escape, Control and new slide open. Control A, select by default text and move it. Close thumbnail. Right click here and go to format background and fill with black color. Insert our desired text. You maybe insert anything, maybe some name, someone love name and your pet. Glow, Control A, insert, sorry, time, home tab, 180, font size Berlin, increase, go to format, under a line, center and middle. Right click here, text and go to text effect format. First tab, text fill, no fill and text outline, solid, white and 3p10. Center this text and go to effects, glow effect, text a light green color, transparency 80%. Our glow effect is added now. F5 is glow animating. Zoom out. Now draw away our lines. Insert, press shape, circle. Right click here. Go to size and position. Height 4 and width 40. Rotate this. Already rotate. Go to upside. Fill color, no fill and solid, same color apply, light green and width 3 pm. Control DB, duplicate, some distance. Both circle select and Control D and drag to the bottom side. Zoom out. Same placement, upside and downside. Our designing has been complete now. Now go to animation panel. First select text, animation, fill with pulse. Start with previous, animation panel. Right click here and go to first options, timing until slide end. Yeah. Very fast, 1 second, press OK. OK. Press here one first shape, animation, add animation up to downside. OK. Press red side. OK, a little bit more. OK. Complete now. Again, right click here and go to effect options, smooth hand, 2 second, timing, fast, repeat until slide end, Effect auto reverse. Press OK. Okay, everything is complete. Again go to animation panel and press Ctrl Shift C, copy paste, or animated painter, and go to previous act. Okay, animation, select both ovals, and animation start with previous. Sorry, start with previous, and same effect paste to bottom side. Animation painter, copy effect and paste here. Format, animation, effect, down to up. Okay, red circle, little bit reduce. Sorry, a Control C, press shift and a little bit reduce. Okay, now same animation panel, paste first to second, copy animation painter and paste in a last. Okay, press F5 now. Okay, go to animation panel, right click here, effect options and smooth. Okay, timing, medium, fast, yes. Okay, effect timing, fast. Okay, press F5. Our glow text animation is complete now. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and follow. Thanks.